Welcome to JBL channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now what you have to do first is turn on your Bluetooth speaker by pressing the power button, and once it is turned on, swipe down from the top of your phone and then tap and hold onto the Bluetooth icon. Now from here, if you see that the Bluetooth is turned off, you can just turn it on from here. And then take your Bluetooth speaker and then press on the pairing button once. And now, as you can see, the phone just found the JBL Go 3. Now all you need to do is just tap here and then tap on pair. And as you can tell from the audio that it is now connected, and you can also see here that JBL Go 3 connected to media audio. And that is how you can connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.